Hello students. Today we are going to start a new chapter. That is chapter number 4. The Great Indian Desert. Children, in our first chapter I have told you about the 6 physiographic divisions of India. Do you remember the names of these physical features? Let's recall the names. The northern mountains, the northern plains, the coastal plains, the islands, the southern plateau, and the Great Indian Desert. Today we will talk about the Great Indian Desert. First of all, we will discuss the meaning of desert and the types of desert found in India. After that, we will discuss about the location and extent of the Great Indian Desert. So, let's begin. Students, let's talk about the meaning of a desert, or we can say what is a desert. A desert is a flat area covered with sand, having less vegetation and acute shortage of water. Acute means very serious, and vegetation means plants found in a particular area. So children, in simple words, we can say that a desert has following features. Number 1, flat area covered with sand. Number 2, less vegetation. And number 3 is shortage of water. In India, there are 2 types of deserts. Number 1, cold deserts. Number 2, hot deserts. Cold deserts are areas of permanent cold. Due to permanent cold, very little life exists here. Ladakh is a cold desert in India. Hot deserts are hot and arid areas with little rainfall. Arid means dry. The Great Indian Desert is a hot desert in India. Now, I will tell you about the location and extent of the Great Indian Desert. There is an area which is big, dry, sandy, and rocky towards the west of the northern plains is called the Great Indian Desert. As you can see in the map, the Great Indian Desert is also known as the Thar Desert. Thar, Thar. It is a large arid region in the western part of Rajasthan. Arid means dry. It is about 800 kilometers long and 500 kilometers wide. The Thar Desert covers 60% area of Rajasthan. It is also extended into some parts of Haryana, Punjab, and Gujarat. It forms a natural boundary between India and Pakistan. It means that Thar Desert protects us from enemies in the west. This desert is around 4,000 to 10,000 years old. So that's all for today. I hope the location and extent of the Thar Desert is clear to you. Thank you.